morning, dear students. Yesterday we saw the chapter 7, some of the multiple choice questions, true false questions. Because in the online test you have this option mainly, okay. So it's not like in the written exam you got question answers, brief question answers, elaborate question answers. No, you need not write pages and pages. So in many ways it facilitates writing, correcting and announcing the result. Okay, advantages are there. At the same time, the disadvantages are these. The teachers have to sit and prepare this one-word questions. Okay. So everything has to be turned to one-word questions. The questions multiply. Okay. And for the students, it's not memorizing. Yes. Yeah, unfortunately, even for IAS, IPS exam, these types of tests are conducted like multiple choice or true false. Don't think it's only is used for our school children. And big exams are conducted like this. But the negative aspect is even those people who are prepared for big exams, they buy such books and start memorizing without understanding the question, without understanding the answer, its background. Then it becomes a tough job. How many one-word questions you can memorize? No? But people still try. Okay. So if you do that way, it's a bit difficult to score more marks. So what is important? You have to understand the text, become familiar with it. Then you can answer because you need not vomit what is inside. The answer is there, the question is so. So if you are familiar, you just tick them and go on. Very easy. But it's not possible for somebody. Then you have to sit, write all the questions, one-word questions, read them and memorize. So just to help both group, people who can read, understand, become familiar with the text and answer the question. And if there are someone who cannot read, understand, become familiar with the text and the answer, you sit down, write down all the possible one-word answer questions. Okay. It will be useful either for multiple choice or for true false. Okay. So, with this background, I am trying to help you, prepare you for the test. So, for today, we will take chapter 8. I will give some hints how these questions are, some one-word answers. Especially in this chapter, I will give only choice, multiple choice. Okay. So, when you prepare for the exam, this one you prepare for multiple choice. I make your work easy because many of you I see in the exam online test, just appear, open and see, do not answer, you get 0 mark. And those who are attending, those are prepared, they score 8, 9, 10. So there's a contrasting group, one doing the best, one doing nothing. So it's mainly for the people who are doing nothing. So how to prepare for this exam is very, very important. Now I give you some samples, okay, for this multiple choice. Now take page number 23. This is the lesson about OPS and UDC. Okay. Now first sample from third para, page number 23. You see there is a sentence. Aristeus, a shepherd, was the cause for the death of Eurydice. Okay. Now Eurydice died because Odysseus followed her. He was dash. Choices given: a shepherd, a farmer, a carpenter. So there's nothing about farmer, carpenter. Is choices. The right answer is shepherd. Okay. So this is one sample I am giving. Okay. In the text we have got Odysseus, a shepherd. Okay. If you are familiar with this, then you just stick that. Okay. So another example. Just a small thing like Hades, the head of the dead, openly wept listening to the music and the love story of Orpheus. Okay. So here I will just change a wrong statement like listening to the music and the story of Orpheus, the head of the dead hates laughed. Instead of wept, I say laughed. So right or wrong. Okay. Or I can say dash, hates dash. He laughed, wept, got angry. So wept is the right thing, we just take that. So this way the questions will be prepared. Now you also prepare some one word answers. Okay. Like these are facts, mainly one word answers are simple like connected to names, places. Mostly these questions are prepared. So you just prepare some of them, become familiar with them, then you will do the test better. Now in the next page 24, choose the correct option. It's a multiple choice. So just prepare them also. Then for the B, okay, you see Orpheus went to the underworld in search of dash. His wife, his mother, his brother. The right answer is wife. So the question also can be turned to be a multiple choice. This is how questions will be prepared. So you also prepare for the online test in this way, so that you will attend and score more mark. These small tips for the online test to prepare you. I take this class. I will take one more lesson. The first online test will have 3 lessons. Okay. Next week we'll have 3. So with that we will shift next to grammar. Okay. Thank you. Bye. All the best.